Hi everybody, my name is Peter Taraka, and today we're going to be talking about the restoration of our F-4 Phantom. So before coming into the hangar, the airplane was in pretty corroded condition. We spent close to a month on the inboard wing with anti-corrosive preservative. The canopy was given the preservative coatings, and that coating is applied to preserve the interior of the airplane. We came upon a scheme that we're part of a demonstration team during the country's bicentennial in 1976. So we thought that with the 250th coming up, this would be a particularly appropriate scheme, and it turned out beautifully. It feels great to have it back out on display, looking as good as it does. However, it's another feather in our cap, and it's on to the next project. So come check out our beautiful F-4 Phantom on the flight deck. For more information, go to intrepidmuseum.org.